Starting in Unity Hub, we are going to create a new 2D project as we have done in the past. I am going to call this my space game. And then I'm going to make sure that I save it into my game folder. If you're saving it to the desktop or documents, that's fine. If you need to figure out where you're saving it, go ahead and click on the three dots. And then this will help you figure out where you are saving. And I'm going to actually just save this one right to my desktop. So I'm going to select my folder, and then I'm going to tell it to go ahead and create. Once Unity has opened up, we can start to add in our assets. So before I add them in, I just want to create a nice folder that I can store these in, and I'm going to call this one sprites. And now I'm going to go and I'm going to find those sprites that I made. I should have a spaceship one. I should have a couple space backgrounds. So I'm just going to slowly click and drag those right in. Actually, let's double click this one so we can start to see them come in. Here's one of my space backgrounds. Here's the second one. 2 asteroids. I need a red spaceship, my green spaceship. And right now I don't have the power up created or added in here, so that's fine. This is going to be okay to get started, and then I can add my power up later. But if you have yours created, you can go ahead and add it in now. The next thing that I want to do is I want to start creating my scene. And to create my scene, I'm going to go to my game, and I want to work on changing the game dimensions. So down here there is a plus, and I'm going to go ahead and click it, and I'm going to call this one space game. I want to change this to aspect ratio, just like a 16:9 or 9:10, and let's change it to an 8:10 to start with. And you notice what that does to our game camera is how that it has changed it to be this kind of vertical, because our player is going to be down at the bottom and we're going to be shooting up at the top.